This is the best place to show.
Treatments like slimming. So we
Okay.
do have a weight loss program. We do have a diet management.
Okay.
We do have detox therapies, which includes all the age groups are having these problems.
problem.
Common issues for right now, women's,
Yeah.
it's a pigmentation.
Right.
All are non-surgical,
Yes,
safer and non-surgical.
Non-surgical treatments.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can
Correct.
see a lot of difference here.
సో ఐ హావ్ ట్యాన్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. బేసికల్లీ ఇప్పుడు నాన్ సర్జికల్ ట్రీట్మెంట్స్ ఏవైతే చేస్తారో అవన్నీ బ్రైడల్ కి ఆల్రెడీ ఒక ఫ్యూ మంత్స్ ముందు వచ్చేస్తే రెడీ చేసేస్తారంట. హలో ఎవ్రీబడి, వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్ రాగా మేఘ్నా. అందరూ ఎలా ఉన్నారు? సో ఈ రోజు నేను ఒక స్పెషల్ ప్లేస్కి వచ్చాను. అండ్ స్పెషల్ అని ఎందుకు చెప్తున్నాను అంటే, చాలామంది నాకు ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్లో పింక్ చేశారు, మేఘ్నా గారు ఒక్కసారి యూఆర్ డూయింగ్ ర్యాండమ్ వ్లాగ్, సో దాంట్లోకి మాకు స్పెషల్గా ఉమెన్స్ కోసం ఒక వ్లాగ్ చేయండి, సర్జికల్ ట్రీట్మెంట్స్కి సంబంధించి, స్కిన్ కేర్కి సంబంధించి, ఇంకా కాస్మెటిక్కి సంబంధించి స్పెసిఫిక్గా మీకు మీ ఫేవరెట్ ప్లేస్ ఏదైనా ఉంటే మాకు చూపించండి అని అన్నారు. సో ఐ థాట్ this is the best place to show. That's Veleza Wellness. సో వెలజా వెల్నెస్ మెహదీపట్నంలో ఉంది. సో ఈ లొకేషన్లో జనరలీ వెలజా వెల్నెస్ ఉన్నట్టు ఫ్రాంక్గా చాలా మందికి తెలియదు. బట్ ఈ ప్లేస్ గురించి నాకు తెలిసిన తర్వాత వాట్ ఐ థాట్ సరే మన ఆడియన్స్ కూడా చూపిద్దాము అని చెప్పి. ఎందుకంటే బేసిక్గా ఈ క్లినిక్లో అయితే ఎటువంటి సైడ్ ఎఫెక్ట్స్ ఉండవంట. అంటే మీరు ట్రీట్మెంట్ చేయించుకున్నప్పుడు మీకు ఎటువంటి సర్జికల్ ట్రీట్మెంట్స్ చేయడం కానీ, లేకపోతే ఏదైనా సైడ్ ఎఫెక్ట్స్ అవ్వడం కానీ అవన్నీ ఉండవు. స్కిన్ రిలేటెడ్ కానీ, స్లిమ్మింగ్ రిలేటెడ్ కానీ, బ్యూటీ రిలేటెడ్, హెయిర్, లేజర్, ఇంకా బోల్డ్ అని ట్రీట్మెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సో ఇక్కడ లోపలికి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత నేను ఇంకా మీకు చాలా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. ఇక్కడ మీకు చూస్తే అర్థం, లేజర్ కానీ, లైపో కానీ, యాక్నే ట్రీట్మెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, హెయిర్ ట్రీట్మెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ట్రైపాల్సిస్ ఉంది, బ్రైడల్కి సంబంధించిన మేక్ ఓవర్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఇంకా బోల్డ్ అని ఉన్నాయి. సో స్లిమ్మింగ్ గురించి మీరు చాలా ప్లేసెస్ ట్రై చేసి ఉంటారు, చాలా డైట్స్ అవి ఇవి ఫాలో అయ్యి ఉంటారు. బట్ ట్రైపాల్సిస్ లాంటి కొన్ని యూనిక్ ట్రీట్మెంట్స్ కూడా ఉన్నాయి. బట్ సైడ్ ఎఫెక్ట్స్ లేవు అంటే హ్యాపీగా రావచ్చు. సో ఐ పర్సనలీ రికమెండ్ దిస్ ప్లేస్. హలో, హాయ్. Hello Andy. Hi,
Hello.
hi. So actually we are greeting everybody and getting inside. So let's talk with Dr. Shama Garu and let's know about all the treatments that are available at Veleza Wellness. Let's go.
Please, ma'am, have your seat.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Yes, you can explain about Veleza Wellness. What
Yes,
is
ma'am. This is a Veleza Wellness clinic
Okay.
where we do work on some of the treatments like slimming.
Okay.
It's slimming, we just treat for the obesity.
Okay.
Okay, then we treat for the beauty,
Okay.
hair, and we do laser therapies.
Okay. Perfect. Perfect.
Yeah, just I'll tell you each and everything what's
Sure.
going on in this clinic. So it's about obesity treatment. What do we treat in obesity? So we
Okay.
do have a weight loss program. We do have a diet management.
Okay.
We do have detox therapies, which includes a different treatment for the different patients, like
Okay.
different clients. If the
Acha.
clients have particularly some of the pre-diseases or diseases,
Correct.
bilaterally we go through that.
Okay.
Means
okay.
we treat their disease and then we start the treatment. Or well,
Okay.
bilaterally we'll be treating the disease and with that we'll start the treatment of
Okay.
weight loss.
Okay.
So this is the thing.
Okay.
Yeah, so like
So this is all about slimming.
yeah, this is about
Okay.
obesity treatment.
Oh.
The hair treatment. What
Okay.
do we have here? What do we do in a hair treatment? Like
Okay.
most of we get the clients for hair loss,
Correct. Yeah.
dandruff. This is the right now
Common-
issue. What common issue,
Yeah.
right? People are
Correct. Correct.
contacting us and coming here for such treatments.
True. True.
Even if it's not like particular age group. All the age groups are having these problems.
This problem.
Yeah.
True. True. Yeah.
Hair loss, hair dandruff, they do
Yes.
have, and moreover they go through all these chemical treatments. Post chemical treatments, they have much complaints about dryness of hairs,
true.
hair fall. It's
Yeah.
heavy hair fall after those treatments.
Correct.
So
correct,
we
yeah.
give them the internal treatments, we give them some supplements,
Okay.
then we treat them through some of the lasers,
Okay.
or we just treat them some of through.
So our treatment different from the others.
Yeah, it is completely different. It's not
Okay.
like you're coming for the particular service and we are giving you that service and we are just treating and we are sending.
Okay.
We are cleansing your body, we are doing through your body whatever
Okay.
we are
Okay.
analyzing.
Correct.
It's from through your, we make you to do some of your tests.
Okay.
Blood test will be going on, then bilaterally your treatment also will be going on, then changes will be seen after 1 month. What are the changes, what we have
Okay.
given you the treatment.
Okay.
So at the end, what are the results and how we give them the maintenance.
Okay.
Either it's in home or they have to come back every 6 months or 1 year. It depends on the clients.
Okay. So whatever treatment is suitable for that person, you will
Yeah.
analyze and you'll
Yeah,
suggest them.
it's
Okay.
like we are not giving the same treatment for a particular.
Correct. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Understood. Yeah. So that's all about this hair treatment.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then we'll come to the skin treatments.
okay.
What do we have in a skin treatment?
Okay.
Common issues for right now, women's,
Yeah.
it's a pigmentation. Then
Acne
we have some
and-
acne, dark
Correct.
circles. This is all through a loss of sleep, anxiety,
Correct.
and they are moreover prone to electronic
Yeah.
things. So even through that, skin damages.
Damages.
So
true.
skin is damaged. So we do skin rejuvenation treatment. We do PRPs.
Okay.
We do lasers. We do
Okay.
facials. We have
Okay.
all the facials, but these facials are different from the parlor facials. This is the medicated facial, Medicare facials.
Okay.
So here we use the product of medicines,
Okay. Okay.
like all the peptides, all the
Okay.
serums.
Okay.
So these are medifacials.
Okay.
The
Okay.
facial will be done through a machine, and
Okay.
then we do add some of the products.
Okay.
So that is
Okay.
medicated.
Okay. Nice. Nice to know.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then tan removal, and
Okay.
we go through the bridal packages.
Okay.
So if the bride has her wedding after 6 months, so that is an
Okay.
ideal period for us.
Correct.
So in that 6 months, we change her
Makeover and
Yeah,
everything is
very nice
required.
makeover.
Yeah.
It's not that only she'll be on dependent on makeup on that particular day.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So it will be with her until
Yeah,
it's
because you're
too
treating
long.
her skin
Yeah.
and the transformation.
Skin, body polishing, her body countering.
Okay.
Like she has some obesity issues.
Correct.
She's having somewhere fat, means stubborn fat she has.
Correct. Correct.
So those all belly fats and all, we do a countering to
Okay.
her.
Okay.
And her skin will be prepared for the particular wedding
Correct.
day.
Yeah. Yeah.
And that she'll be glowing till 2 to 3 years.
Okay.
So that will be the issues.
After that, it's again coming to your clinic again and maintaining it nicely.
We
So-
have some of our clients who come from 5 years.
Oh,
Only
okay.
just for medifacials.
Okay.
So
Okay.
this is the thing. Here,
Perfect.
all we run through some of the packages,
Okay. Okay. Nice.
and then we treat the skin through lasers. I told we
Okay.
have IPL lasers, we have
Okay.
diode lasers, we have MNRF,
Okay.
we have carbon lasers.
Okay.
Okay, those are known as Hollywood facial.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
yeah.
those all things we do right
Okay.
here. This is hydrofacial machine.
Hydrofacial,
Yeah.
okay.
Where we do a hydrofacial using some of the hydrating serums and all. So
Okay.
especially we use hyaluronic acid so that the
Okay.
skin will be very hydrating
Okay.
and glowing and shining. So in this we do actually some of the steps like
Okay.
exfoliating,
Mhm.
okay, removing the dead skins,
Okay.
then removing the white heads, black heads.
Okay.
Then later we'll use ultrasound.
Okay.
Okay, through that ultrasound, the
Okay.
skin will also be stiffed.
Yeah,
The
yeah,
collagen production also will be good.
Correct,
But the
correct.
main over what these serums are there according to skin, we just
Oh.
induce them.
Okay.
And
so
this is
generally
main
for
hydration.
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 So generally, what I saw is for the hydrofacials, they're not using mask. I've generally seen, using some equipment and all. That's all I've seen so far.
Okay.
But this one with a mask, I think there is some kind of step with
Yeah.
that also.
Yeah, this is the last step of the
Okay.
process.
Uh-huh.
This has many lights: purple,
Okay.
green, orange, red. So this is according to the skin. If somebody is
Okay.
having like wrinkles and all, we put on red skin, acne
Okay.
and all. So we depend, and the color is being changed. And this is the last step where we'll keep that particular mask for 10 to 15 minutes.
Okay.
So it will boost there. The
Uh-huh.
process what we have done, it
Okay.
will boost.
Okay.
So this is the
Hydrofacial.
end procedure
Okay.
of the
Nice.
hydrofacial. This we can use as E-light,
Okay.
laser, and this is for set. Example, we are doing for the E-lights.
Okay.
So what is this E-light?
Mm.
So here it is the process.
Okay. So according to the treatment, we can choose.
This probe is taken for that particular treatment,
Okay.
like hair removal, okay, vascular therapy, even this lift is
okay.
done. Then skin rejuvenation and pigmentation therapy.
Okay.
So moreover, it is used for the pigmentation rejuvenation. For the
Okay.
good skin rejuvenation, this is the
Okay.
best therapy.
Nice, nice. Okay.
And the next one is laser.
Laser.
So
okay.
what this laser does? This laser is for specially hair removal.
Okay.
Okay, like eyebrow tattoo, so body tattoo.
Okay.
So like this birthmarks and skin rejuvenation.
Okay.
So in
For
total,
correcting the skin and all.
yeah,
This is
and
perfect.
even the
okay.
particular they have some birthmarks, tattoos. They have
Yeah,
put on tattoos, and they don't
tattoos.
want those tattoos.
Yes,
So
yes,
this
yes.
is used for the tattoo removal.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
So generally, I thought tattoo removal is very painful and all, but after looking at this, I don't think this is painful
It's
at all.
not painful, not at all. So
Okay.
it's like we put if you have some of the
Yes.
sensitive skin,
Okay.
then we'll put some of the anesthetic gels on your
Okay.
skin, and we'll try to do that particular process.
Perfect. Okay, okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
This is IPL.
Okay.
3D skin lifting rejuvenation equipment.
Okay.
So you can see on this also.
Yeah.
So what happens in this process? We just cleanse. We do detox. Like
Okay.
see, give your
Okay.
hand. I'll show you.
Okay.
See, it is sucking.
Oh, yeah.
See the difference in the color. See,
Okay. Nice.
you can see the difference.
Yes, 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 yes.
The tone
Instantly,
has
I've
instant.
seen-
Yeah, because
Okay.
here what is happening? Your dead skin is been removed.
Okay.
This is stratum cornea.
Okay.
When stratum cornea is removed, here the new skin is been seen. You can see
Correct.
a lot of difference here.
So I have tan and everything. So everything is
see-
not seen
see,
for
see,
this
see,
one
just
layer.
I'll do it somewhere else.
Okay.
See?
Yeah.
Yeah. See the
Oh.
instant result. See?
Okay.
Is it
This is
not?
too good.
See?
Nice, nice.
This
so,
is the dermabrasion probe where your
Okay.
dead skin will be removed.
Acha.
And after this removal, we'll just do some of the process like
Okay.
cleansing, ultrasound, okay, serum
Okay.
infusion. This is cupping again for the detox therapy.
Okay.
This is ultrasound to lift
Okay.
your facial muscles.
Okay.
Okay, this is in total the treatment. In this we add all the medicated things according to the skin structure.
Skin structure. Okay, okay.
Like you have a glowing skin. So
Okay.
if you want more glow,
More
or you
glow.
want just for the boosting the collagen,
Okay,
or you
okay.
just want rejuvenate, so
Acha.
that particular products will be put in every session.
Okay. Perfect. Yeah.
So this is again a body massager.
Okay.
So this is a G10 machine
Okay.
where we use some of the oils.
This is for fat reduction process,
Yeah.
if I'm not wrong.
Yeah. And there is a wrap here.
Okay.
See, this is a wrap, heat wrap.
Oh, okay, okay.
Patient will sleep here.
For the heat?
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll make patient lay here.
Okay.
And then this is wrapped on particular patient.
Okay.
So there will be a heat
thing.
over through the body, and that fat will be dissolved.
Okay.
And somewhere we have to do some of the massager for the lymphatic system
Okay.
to be drained and to be active. That
Acha.
time we do this massager.
Massager. Oh.
Like some patients come, they want only therapies, they're not ready to do workout, or
Yes.
they are not ready to do
That too, most
walking.
people are lazy.
Yeah,
They don't want to work out and all. They wanted easy process.
easy process.
So for
So
that-
these are easy processes.
Okay. Nice. So this is cryolipolysis. For everybody, who understands this process, I can, give a small demo of it with Shama Garu. But for the Telugu audience, I'm explaining to you. So basically, fat freeze చేస్తుంది అనమాట. For example, మీకు tummy fat ఉన్నా లేకపోతే under your arms you'll find a fat here, thighs, hips. సో ఎక్కడైనా సరే మీకు కొంచెం రిజిడ్ ఫ్యాట్ ఉంది అన్న టైంలో మీరు ఫ్యాట్ని ఫ్రీజ్ చేసేయాలి అని అనుకుంటే డెఫినెట్లీ దిస్ ఇస్ ద రైట్ ప్రాసెస్. అండ్ జనరలీ ఇది ఫ్యాట్ని ఫ్రీజ్ చేస్తుంది అండ్ అలాగే మీకు అక్కడ ఎటువంటి ఫ్యాట్ లేకుండా కూడా ఇట్ విల్ గెట్ రిమూవ్డ్. సో డైట్ ఫాలో అవ్వమో ఎక్సర్సైజ్ చేయమో మాకు చాలా బద్ధకం అనుకునే వాళ్ళకి ఇది పర్ఫెక్ట్ అనమాట. సో లెట్ మీ జస్ట్ షో యూ. సో యా, దిస్ ఇస్ cryolipolysis.
This is a cryolipolysis machine.
Yeah.
Okay, cryo in sense cold. Lipolysis in sense
Okay.
will remove the fat from the cooling effect.
Okay.
So this probe is actually put on particular
Yeah.
way the person wants to get rid of that particular fat.
Yeah.
Especially they want for the bellies,
Yes, yes.
lavangles, arms and all. So
Correct.
what we do, we just fix them, this
Okay.
particular probe like this
Okay.
on the skin with a particular membrane. So
Okay.
what happens, you can see, just put a hand here and just see. There is a suction, right?
Yeah.
And this will become cool.
Okay.
This is cool.
Cooling effect. Yeah.
Cooling. So this is cold, right?
Yeah.
So what happens, this will just be on particular fat. It will act only on the fat.
Okay. Wherever
So
there is fat is there.
one more thing, they'll think that this will just penetrate into the organs and all. No, it will just act on our fat
Okay.
cells only.
Okay.
It will just freeze the fat cells.
Okay.
That particular fat cells, it
Okay.
will be in our body.
Okay.
So it will be expelling out for the particular 3 months.
Okay.
So in 3 months, it will expel out through
Okay.
our excreta,
Okay.
like urine, sweats and all.
Okay.
Through
Okay.
sweat, moreover
Okay.
through urine. That will go in a 3 months process. It's
Okay.
not that today you have done and you will
Tomorrow
get
you
that
don't
particular.
have it. Yeah.
No. So
Yeah.
that fat will be dissolving.
Okay. Perfect.
This is an HIFU machine.
Okay.
We use some of the products
Okay.
and we use that machine. And this is a cautery machine.
Okay.
Simple tags and all.
Skin
So,
tags.
Skin tags. That
yeah.
doesn't look good on the faces. Moles.
Okay.
Black moles on the faces. It doesn't look good.
Okay.
So that is extracted through these particular machines.
Okay.
Okay.
Nice.
And here, this is for the lifts.
Okay.
This machine is for the where after weight loss, particular persons have that sagging skin.
Correct.
So
Sagginess
for
and all.
Sagginess and all. So this
okay.
will prevent from that particular sun. That is
Okay.
applied all over the body
Okay.
where there is the collagen is already lost.
Yeah.
So this will boost that particular collagen.
Correct. Yeah.
All are non-surgical,
Yes,
safer and non-surgical.
Non-surgical treatments.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is makeover room.
This is a
maybe.
makeover room like bridals. We do
Okay.
it for the bridals.
Okay.
Okay, now they have taken it already for the brides,
Okay.
like countering. They have taken
Okay.
chemical peels. They have taken all the beauty
So complete
issues.
makeover.
Their makeover, body polishing and all.
Okay.
Here, our means what that beauty makeover.
Yeah. Beauty makeover.
She'll come and she'll make them ready.
Okay. Perfect. So all together.
Setup. Yeah, this is a complete setup.
Setup.
What
Yeah.
is.
Correct.
If any bridal is coming before 6 months,
Yeah.
she'll be completely ready here.
పర్ఫెక్ట్ యా నైస్ సో బేసికలీ ఇది బ్రైడల్ రూమ్ అనమాట. అంటే బేసికలీ ఇప్పుడు నాన్ సర్జికల్ ట్రీట్మెంట్స్ ఏవైతే చేస్తారో అవన్నీ బ్రైడల్కి ఆల్రెడీ ఒక ఫ్యూ మంత్స్ ముందు వచ్చేస్తే రెడీ చేసేస్తారంట. అంటే ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్ మనకి స్కిన్ మీద ఏమైనా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నా, హెయిర్ రిలేటెడ్ ఉన్నా, లేకపోతే యూనో ఫ్యాట్ లాస్ అయినా సరే ఎవ్రీథింగ్ వాళ్ళు కరెక్ట్ చేసేస్తారు. బట్ ఫైనల్ మేకప్ హెయిర్ స్టైల్ సంగతి ఏంటి, అది జరగాలంటే ఈ రూమ్లోకి రావాల్సిందే కంపల్సరీ. మేక్ ఓవర్ ఆర్టిస్ట్ ఉంటారంట. సో మేకప్ ఆర్టిస్ట్, హెయిర్ ఆర్టిస్ట్ వీరందరూ వచ్చి మొత్తం మేక్ ఓవర్ చేసేస్తారు. సో అంటే పర్ఫెక్ట్గా జస్ట్ ఇంకా డైరెక్ట్ అలా మండపానికి వెళ్ళిపోవడం అనమాట. పెద్దగా వీళ్ళు కష్టపడాల్సింది ఏమి ఉండదు. దే విల్ టేక్ కేర్ ఆఫ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. సో ఐ థింక్ ఫర్ ద ఫ్యాట్ లాస్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు
For the fat loss, these are some of the therapies. And this
Okay.
is an ultimate therapy what we have
Okay.
right here. This is
Okay.
the most wanted thing in our
Okay.
clinic. What clients prefer. They do
Okay.
come and they do ask for this particular thing.
Okay.
So this is an detox therapy
Okay.
in an infrared rays box. It has some of the LA rays
Okay.
which will boost your weight loss
Okay.
also. And if you're having some of the deficiencies like vitamin D and all, these
Okay.
rays will give you that particular vitamin also.
Okay.
And with that, it will give a detox effect.
ఓకే.
See this chamber.
యా ఇట్స్ హీట్.
We can feel that particular heat.
కరెక్ట్. యా.
Go inside.
Yeah. Oh, really good.
Good now.
Heat. I'm already losing. I feel like that. Really nice.
Nice.
So, how much time do we have to, be
This
inside?
is actually according to the particular bodies.
Okay.
No? So minimum 30 minutes will be
30
giving them.
minutes. Okay.
30 minutes, and if the patient is all right, that doesn't have
Okay.
any disease and all,
Yeah.
we will continue for 40 minutes also.
Okay.
This is an ultimate box for weight reduction,
Okay.
detoxing the body and losing the toxin elements from the body. And if the particular person has vitamin D deficiency,
Correct.
these
yeah.
rays will give them the. It's like you have seen that babies incubators.
Yeah, like that.
concept.
Correct,
But it's in a higher range
Higher
for the
range.
adults.
Okay.
It's the low light laser therapy
Okay.
where we'll be giving particular lights, LED lights will be there
Okay.
to boost your scalp.
Acha, okay.
So not only it will boost the scalp, it will boost the hair root also.
Okay.
So what the hair is growing, the new
Okay.
hair growth will be thicker than the
Okay.
previous one. It's
Oh.
not like in one session only you'll feel that drastic
Yeah,
changes.
yeah.
It will
Slowly.
be between 3 to 4 you'll
Yeah.
get a changes because
Okay.
the first and second session will be beneath the skin
Yeah,
at particular dermis level.
Okay.
So it's not visible by
Visible.
naked eyes.
Yes.
Okay. So example, see, I'll put the.
Okay.
So this is in
Nice.
red light, yellow light, blue light.
Okay.
So it depends on the client.
Client.
So
Okay.
client is having dandruff.
Okay.
So after 10 seconds, per 1 second it will change. According for the last client we had put. See, this is yellow, again blue, again
Okay.
red. So for
Uh-huh.
10 seconds I have put red light. The last client was with the hair fall.
Okay.
So this setting is there.
Okay.
You can sit in this for minimum 20 to 30 minutes.
Okay.
So without any side effects or without any pain,
Pain,
you
yeah.
will get that particular good hair.
Good
thick.
hair, yeah.
So it's a low light. See, lasers are almost many types. This laser is to hair growth. Some laser is to hair reduction.
Reduction. Yeah.
To analyze your scalp.
Okay.
So what's your condition of your scalp?
Okay.
Okay. See on the screen. See, you can see.
Okay. Yeah.
Can see.
Yes.
See, you have an oily scalp.
Yeah.
Right?
Correct. Yeah.
Sebum is there, and your hair is okay, but it should be more thicker.
Yeah.
You have a thin hairs, and scalp is clean.
Yes.
No
yeah.
such dandruff issues. Your scalp is clean and oily.
Oily. Yeah.
You can read this.
Yeah. Genes lead to the closure of large areas of hair follicles. Okay. Avoid.
Because maybe some of your hereditary changes. So even in your family, somebody has this
Yeah.
hair loss
issues,
or
yeah.
baldness, anything. Maybe anybody, not your parents only.
Yeah.
Your siblings, your
Yeah.
grandparents,
Correct.
the third generations.
Yeah.
Then patient, this is your particular improvement. What you'll get. Read this
Okay.
and see. Don't eat sour.
Okay.
Food wines. Food wine means it's not alcoholic wine.
Yeah.
It's like sour food.
Sour food. Correct.
Like cold drinks also.
Correct.
Beverages, cold drinks. It's a food wines.
Okay.
And hot spicy foods. Don't take more spicy foods.
Okay.
That is also not good for your
So
scalp.
all these improvements it
Yeah.
is showing. Yeah.
Is showing. Then repeat made in a piece make should be eat less greasy things
Okay.
because your scalp is oily. Don't
Correct.
take heavy oily foods. And
Okay.
Go through vegetables, green vegetable salads and all. You have that particular thing.
సో యా ఈ మెషిన్ అయితే నాకు హెయిర్ గురించి చాలా ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ చెప్పింది లైక్ ఏం ఇంప్రూవ్ చేసుకోవాలి నేను అండ్ ఎందుకు హెయిర్ ఇలా ఉంది ఏమి వైటమిన్స్ కావాలి లేకపోతే యూనో కాజెస్ ఏంటి అసలు వాట్ హ్యాపెండ్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ అనేది మెషిన్ చెప్పేస్తుంది బట్ ఇట్స్ రియలీ గుడ్ చాలా ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ నాకు తెలిసింది సో ఐ విల్ సే సంథింగ్ ఇన్ తెలుగు ఐ విల్ సీ క్షమా గారు అండర్స్టాండ్స్ దట్ లైన్ ఆర్ నాట్ సో ఇవాళ నాకు వచ్చినందుకు చాలా హ్యాపీగా అనిపిస్తుంది అన్ని మెషిన్ గురించి చెప్పారు అండ్ నాకు చాలా తెలుసుకున్నాను చాలా విషయాలు నాకు తెలిసాయి ఈరోజు సో చాలా ధన్యవాదాలు
This I understood.
థ్యాంక్ గాడ్ లాస్ట్ వీక్ థ్యాంక్
I
యూ
understood Dhanyavada and I understood you came here. You
Yeah.
were happy.
Oh, superb,
Yeah.
superb. So for all the audience, I think you had a great, information about all the equipment, about the video, about everything. So నాకేంటంటే ఇవన్నీ చూసిన తర్వాత నాకు మళ్ళీ మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి విజిట్ చేసి నాకు ఏ ట్రీట్మెంట్ కావాలి అది తీసుకోవాలని అనిపిస్తుంది సో ఐ హోప్ మీ అందరికి కూడా అర్థమైందని అనుకుంటున్నాను సో నేను వెలజా వెల్నెస్ లొకేషన్ అండ్ ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ ఐడిని నేను ట్యాగ్ చేస్తాను డెఫినెట్లీ ఒక్కసారి విజిట్ చేయండి మొత్తం అనాలిసిస్ చూసిన తర్వాత మీకే అర్థమవుతుంది ఏ ట్రీట్మెంట్ మనకు సూట్ అవుతుంది ఏది తీసుకోవాలి అని సో థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ వన్స్ అగైన్
Welcome, ma'am. You're welcome. Always you're welcome. Anytime you're welcome at Veliza Wellness.
Oh, thank you so much guys. I hope you like the video. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel and see you. Bye bye.